Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Ford Edge, guys, and if you're trying to find the fog light fuse for your Ford Edge, stay with us and we'll explain, guys, where it's located. Quick introduction: every single car, guys, that we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we make at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if your fog lights do not work, check that fuse, guys, first. You have one fuse for both fog lights, left and right side. If you need to buy replacement fuses, relays, car parts, tools, guys, anything like that for a good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. So let me show you now, okay, what we have here. This, guys, it's a 2000, okay, this is a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll demonstrate on. And you guys have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood, one is inside, but we need to go check the one inside, guys. Okay, the one inside right here, and this fuse box is actually by the, okay, right there by the pedals. I'm going to explain where now. It is right there by the pedals, so we're going to come, okay, I'm just trying to focus a little bit here. Give me just a second. Okay, perfect. Here, guys, you're going to have actually a cover. Okay, this cover will be installed like that. So all you have to do, you have to slide that thing over, pull it out. Now you will have underneath another cover. Excuse me. This cover you need to squish on both sides, in and pull it out. Now the good thing is that you can actually find the fuse numbers listed on the back of this cover. The bad news is it doesn't tell you what the numbers are for the fuses, so that's the best. That's the bad part, guys. You have numbers but you don't know what they're for. So the fuse that we're looking, it's 21, fuse number 21, guys. 21 is a fog light fuse. So coming in it, guys, 21 will be the second fuse under that relay in the second row from left to right. So this 15 amp fuse, and if you need to replace it, just grab it with a fuse pull, pull it out. You can see just like that. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses for a good price, guys, okay, you can check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get ours from. Let me show you the whole fuse box. Okay, this one right here, you can get it for a super good price, guys. Super good price for the whole fuse box, so definitely worth the investment. And when you're ready, all you have to do now, just grab a new fuse, 15 amp fuse in our case, and push it in. And pretty much, guys, this is it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you guys have any questions, let us know, leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your problem when we have time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.